a salad night for our dinner. So we're going to take our basil. We are going to pop the equivalent of a good packed cup. Use a 1/4 cup of toasted nuts, either pistachio or pine nuts or a combo, right? So now we're gonna add a handful of a pecorino and Parmigiano. We're gonna go real acidic here. 1, 2 count, or about 2 tablespoons of white balsamic vinegar. And the juice of a lemon, and whenever we squeeze lemon, it's always cut side up. Your choice of red or black pepper. I prefer red, a little red, very zippy. I'm a zippy kind of gal. And then we turn it on and stream in really good fruity olive oil until the dressing comes together, about 1/3 to 1/2 cup. Oh, I forgot the garlic. I mean, loser. So in goes a couple of small cloves of garlic crushed, a little salt, and over the shoulder for luck. And there we go. That sucker is D-O-N-E. Now, moving along, we get the surface that we're cooking. I like to cook a la plancha or flat. We get it nice and hot, and this is about medium-high heat. We spray very lightly with non-aerosol oil, regular olive oil or canola oil, and then we season the meat just as it goes on side 1. Salt and pepper. And then we put the seasoned side down, and you can season the other side. So hot surface, pat the meat dry. Do not move the meat. Let it be and do its thing. If it's an inch, or this is about 3/4 of an inch. If it's an inch, it will take 7 to 8 minutes for a slightly pink center. Total time, total cook time. Always when I cook steaks, I always put lemons on the grill as well. So now we're going to take our beautifully browned steaks off and let them rest. That's the next rule. And we let it hang out for a good, 8, 10 minutes. So we're gonna pull these guys off, let it hang out. I pulled off the lemons that we griddled or grilled, however you're cooking, up with it. And we're gonna squish the juice down once they cool down a bit. And let's go back to our salad. So we have a little red onion. There's lots of things that people do to like make an onion milder. Of course, you can just soak them in water and then drain them. But basically, if you know your body doesn't like onion, don't eat the onion. I happen to love onion, so I'm gonna put onion in the salad. You can slice it, you can chop it, do whatever you want. If you like less onion, chop it, go again across. After you slice it this way, go again this way, and it'll be even smaller. Napa is fabulous because it's great in salads, and it's great in savory, and it's so easy to deal with. It wilts down quickly. It's such a versatile vegetable. So, flat kale, whenever we stem kale, we just grab it like a cat's paw and pull backwards, just like that. Okay, so we have all of our tough, kind of sturdy greens. All of our pesto dressing goes on. Now, back in the day, when I first started, working at Food Network, even before that, the local news, I would never touch a salad with my hands. Guess what's changed? We let this work, and it's like a marinade for the greens. It looks like a lot, but it's not. So we let this start doing its work, and it needs some color and a little pop of sweetness, natural sugars. So here's our burst of color, right? Some halved cherry or grape tomatoes. Now we're gonna take those lemons and squish a half a lemon down over each steak. And then we're going to try and kind of artfully arrange the steak across the tomatoes and the length of the salad. Come on in here, babies.